You might be wondering why I'm drilling a hole in the underside of this ceiling joist. It's because of a tip we received from Mike Morrison of Milford, Massachusetts about hanging up your lawn and garden tools. Started by drilling a series of pilot holes into the underside of the joist, and I'm going to put in these hooks, these screw hooks. Just put them right in. You can twist them in by hand most of the way. If it gets too difficult, you can use a screwdriver for leverage. Just put them in an inch, inch and a half or so is plenty. And have them facing out, just like that. And then earlier, I took screw eyes and I put them into the end of the tool handle. I drilled a hole into the handle and I twisted in the screw eye. Now, all you need to do is hang the tool onto the hook. And what you'll find is the tools are out of the way. They won't fall over. And when you're ready to go to work, you just grab a tool and out you go.